Welcome to my channel, Life Ideas. Benefits of walking. Improve heart health. Regular walking strengthens your heart and reduces the risk of heart disease. Increase energy. Walking helps to improve circulation and makes you feel more energized. Strengthens muscles. It helps tone muscles in your legs and core. Prepares for labor. Walking can help improve stamina and endurance, which might be helpful during labor. Better sleep. Walking can help you sleep better at night. Social time. Walking with friends or family gives you time to talk and bond. Helps with weight. Regular walking can help maintain or lose weight. Improves digestion. Walking promotes healthy digestion, reduces bloating and can alleviate constipation. Reduces risk of diseases. Walking lowers the chances of getting diseases like diabetes and some cancers. Boost creativity. Walking, especially in nature, can help clear your mind and inspire creativity and problem solving. Thanks for watching Life Ideas. Please like and subscribe.